What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to go back to basics and do a tune-up on the big block 502 over here. The plugs and wires in it have been sitting for at least 10 years, if not longer. It is misfiring like you wouldn't believe, running like complete garbage. So I ordered some new plugs, wires, and I'm gonna do an oil change too, and just go through just that little bit of maintenance stuff like that, and then we'll get it fired up and take it for a little run. So let's go ahead and take a look at our parts. All right, so I have my Mobil 1 synthetic oil. I run 10W30. I run Mobil 1 pretty much in all my cars. And then I went with the factory AC Delco oil filter. And then I ordered my plugs and wires from Summit Racing. I'm not sponsored by Summit Racing by any means. I've just been buying from them since I was like 15 years old or so. So I went with AC Delco Rapid Fire 4 for my spark plugs. Let me know what you big block guys are running out there. This is kind of what they recommended with this engine. And then I also got Summit's 8.5 millimeter plug wires here. And I went with the long necks here to go past the headers, and I also got a pack of these heat shields here to go over it. The ones on there now actually have like metal guards on them. These are good for like 2,500 degrees or something like that. So that should do the trick around the header, so we're just not melting plug wires. So we're gonna go ahead and get the old stuff out of the car, get these plugs gapped, and get this thing running better again. Alrighty, so now I got everything done, starting from the distributor there. I have everything tucked up in here nicely. And you can see everything runs down. And there are those heat insulators. They turned out pretty nice. So we'll see, we'll put them to the test here. This headers get super hot. So let's go ahead and take a look on the other side. Yep. So it turned out pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and jack it up, drop the oil out of it, change the filter, and get this thing fired up so we can hear it. that'll about do it for today's video. So as you can see, it's clearly running so much better now. So we're one step closer to getting it back on the road and starting to enjoy this bad boy. So if you enjoyed the video, press like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks again for watching.